Hello friends, this is round 24 of star, hearts and pineapples. And to begin the round, we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to count as 1 triple crochet and 1 chain. And we also mark this stitch to where the ending stitch will be joined. Then we will make a V stitch on each and every triple crochet. So to make a V stitch, we do a triple crochet, triple crochet, chain 1 and triple crochet on the next stitch. So we fulfill that, then chain 1 after the V stitch. So we're gonna do this set of stitches 5 times. So we already made 1 V stitch and chain 1, so make 4 more. So V stitch on the next triple crochet, chain 1, that's 2 V stitches, that's the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth, then triple crochet on the next triple crochet. We are here. Then you notice that we have just completed the first fan of this round, and there should be a total of 12 triple crochet on this fan. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 triple crochet with 1 chain in between each triple crochet. Then chain 2, 1, 2. Then 3 double crochet on top of the shell. And we just made a half shell. Then chain 2. Then we repeat what we've done here, which is triple crochet, chain 1 on the next triple crochet, then make the V stitch on the next triple crochet, just like we did here. So we are repeating this. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this first triple crochet of the fan, because this is where the repeating stitches will begin. So then V stitches, 5 V stitches, chain 1 on the next TR. That's the first V stitch and chain 1, so that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not done yet. Okay, complete the V stitch, chain 1, so that's the third. This will be the fourth V stitch, the fifth, then triple crochet on the next triple crochet. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet on the next shell, which makes a half shell. Then chain 2. So this is where the end of the repeating stitches. It ends with chain 2 after the shell. So repeat starting on the first triple crochet of the fan to the chain 2 after the half shell. Repeat it all around. After the last half shell of the round, then we chain 2, and slip stitch on the third chain of the beginning chain 4, 1, 2, 3. And that's the end of round 24.